Okay, bonjour. Today we're going to learn about the verb être, and the verb être in French is one of the most important verbs. It means to be, so I am, or he is, or we are, or y'all are. So this is a very important verb in French. Before we do that, I do want to talk to you guys about subject pronouns. Okay, and subject pronouns are just basically who am I talking about? So I, you, him or her, we. Okay, who are we talking about? So in French, my subject pronouns are je, which is I, tu, which is you, and this is a familiar form. Il, which is he, elle, which is she, and there's nous, we, vous, which is y'all, or it's you formal. Okay, so if you're talking to me, your teacher, or if you're talking to an adult or maybe somebody you don't know, you would use the vous form. And then there is ils, which is they. And this can be either masculine, this is for like a group of guys, or it can be masculine and feminine mixed. And then your last one is elle, which also means they, but this one is specifically for feminine. Okay, so it's a group of girls. All right, so these are my subject pronouns, okay? This is how I know who am I talking about, all right? So then let's move down to our verb être. So this is être. Être means to be, like I said at the beginning. Okay, so you can't just say be, right? You need to say I am, or he is, or she is. So I'm going to put them both together. I'm going to put my subject pronouns with my verb être. So je suis, I am. Okay, être is very irregular. Okay, so I know it's going to look funky, but this is becoming this, all right? So you cannot just say je être. I can't say I to be. It doesn't make sense, right? You have to say I am, and the way to say I am is je suis, okay? You are is tu es. He is il est. She is elle est. We are is nous sommes. Y'all are is vous êtes. He's the only one that actually even looks remotely close to être. Y'all are. Ils sont. They are. And elles sont. They are. Okay. So why don't we do... Oh, there's just a couple more points. The first one is all of these things, it's great. You guys have already been using them when you've talked about, when you're asking people what their name is, you've used vous and you've used tu. Even in that video script that you guys just did, you've used il and la. So you've already been using these things. Really quickly, just give you 2 more points. C'est means it is, and ce sont, sorry, it means those are. It's just the plural form, those are. So if I wanted to say, those are photos, I would say ce sont des photos. If I wanted to say, it is a telephone, c'est un téléphone. Okay, that kind of a thing. Okay, make sure that you have these conjugations. I would suggest you go ahead and watch the other video that is on Edpuzzle. It's a song to kind of help you remember these conjugations. That's what this is called. These are called conjugations. Okay, make sure that you are ready for tomorrow to practice, to do an activity. And I will see you then. Au revoir.